Why opt for chemical methods when we can choose the alternatives method that hydrates your skin and hair organically? This Vita Organic Aloe Vera Gel is a multi-purpose product and budget-friendly at the same time, so you won't feel heavy on your pocket. Take a coin-sized amount of our aloe vera gel on your palms and gently apply on a freshly cleansed face in circular motions. It has vitamin E that helps you cope with sunburns, and aloe vera itself has a soothing property that makes skin feel fresh and hydrating. You can also use this on your hair to fix your problems and get a perfect look. Or you can massage a generous amount of our aloe vera gel on thoroughly cleansed scalp and hair. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera help to repair and soothe the skin, while its enzymes aid in replenishing hair follicles. So what are you waiting for? Order one for yourself and you won't regret it. Trust me, link is in my bio.